Everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we're going to show you how to change the battery in a Honda key fob. This is for a Honda Freed 2016, so about a 10-year-old version of a Honda. They're all pretty similar, so if yours doesn't match this one exactly, it should still work. So first you want to look for this small catch here, so pull that to the side, and in case you didn't know, you actually have a physical key inside this thing that you can use to unlock the door. So if you look down here, you can see there's two plastic pieces with a space in between. You want to take the key, kind of wedge it in there, and then twist a little bit, and then this whole thing will pop open like that. And I think keep the buttons facing down. So that's just an empty case, and here you can see is the battery. And so it's a 2032 battery. I have a replacement here. And yeah, so let's just replace it facing the same way. Of course, don't mix up the old one and the new one. Let's take the old one out. These tabs are permanently fixed, and these two are kind of spring-loaded. So if you get your finger in there, be careful not to lift this whole thing out, like I almost did. So yeah, basically positive side facing upwards, negative side facing downwards. Don't mix them up. Get the new one out. Ideally only touch it on the sides with your fingers so that you don't get fingerprints on everything. And yeah, just kind of click it in, down and in. And let's try to close it back up. Just press it down on all four corners, make sure everything's in, and then get the key back in, and you are done. Make sure that's clicked in so it doesn't come out. Okay, that's basically it. Should be the same for pretty much all Hondas in the last 10 plus years. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today I have a deep purple iPhone 14 Pro, and in today's video we're going to show you how to insert and remove a physical SIM. So before we start...